Hello Lloyd. Gulat ka siguro, no? Anyways, happy birthday. And sorry pala, di na kita makakantahan kasi wala nang time. Siguro next time kung gusto niyo bumisita, ganun. Pero anyways, thank you sa everything, and always keep safe and enjoy your birthday and MBTC. Thank you. And happy birthday ulit.
Hi Lloyd, happy birthday. Always be humble and aim your goal always.
Happy birthday, bro. Ikaw yung walang halong ek-ek, walang halong orokan, walang halong chemical. Pure organic. So don't panic. Happy birthday, baby girl.
Happy birthday Lloyd. Sana maging tapat at loyal ka sa jowa mo. At sana lahat ng sana matupad. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy 27th birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo alagaan mo si China.
Happy birthday, Lloyd. Sana galing mo.
Happy birthday, Momo Lloyd. More birthdays to come, and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Lloyd. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lloyd! Salamat kaayo sa pag-guide sa amin. Mabuhay kang hanggat gusto mo. Salamat sa pagkain. Advance daw.
Happy birthday, Lloyd. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boss. Mga blessings to come. Huwag ka muna mag-aanak. God bless. Birthday, Lloyd. I just wanna say happy birthday to you, man. I don't have anything to say to you, man. Just be safe, play safe, keep safe.
Happy birthday bro.
Hello, Lloyd. Happy birthday. Una sa lahat, thank you sa mga turo mo at sa guidance mo for how many months. And dahil sa'yo, nandito ako. No failures. And thank you. Hello, Lloyd. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yo, happy birthday, Lloyd. Yahoo!
Happy birthday, Lloyd. I hope you're doing great and enjoy your day. Thank you so much for everything.
Lloyd, tol, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Naway matupad lahat ng wishes mo ngayong birthday mo. And sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo sa life. Tol, gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa'yo dahil alam mo yun, sobrang na-appreciate kasi kita, tol. Every time na may problema or may kailangan ako, lagi nga andyan para sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. And sobrang na-appreciate kita. Sana alam mo yun, tol. Ayun, tol, happy birthday. Love you, tol.
Hi, tol. Happy birthday. Wishing you more blessings to come. Good health and solid years ahead. Take care always and enjoy your day, tol. Shot na.
Yangay, kamusta Lloyd? Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat always, lalo na drive. At wala na mahabang message. Alam mo na yan, matagal na tayo magkakilala. At alam mo naman, kahit naman minsan lang tayo nagkausap o magkasama, nagtatrabaho na tayo, tanda na tayo. So, alam mo na, solid pa rin tayo. Ingat always. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
From the Olpindo family,
Wishing you good health and more happiness.
wishing you all the best on your career growth and more success.
More abundance, graces, and all throughout blessings.
Happy birthday, Lloyd!
Cheers!
Happy birthday, Lloyd! More birthdays to come.
More blessings! God bless!
Happy birthday, Lloyd. Wishing you good health, peace, happiness today and always.
Happy birthday, Yogs! Sana yung wish mo matupad sa NMAX soon. Good health and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lloyd. Shot na.
Happy birthday, Lloyd! More birthdays to come. God bless!
Happy birthday, Kuya Lloyd. Shut up na!
Hi Lloyd! So happy birthday! Ang wish ko para sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay and sana maging matatag ka lagi para harapin yung mga challenges na dumating sa life mo. Piliin mo rin sana maging masaya because sabi ko nga sa'yo, you always deserve to be happy. Lagi mo lang tatandaan, nandito lang ako lagi for you. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Kala mo i-greet ka ni Spider-Man, no? Anyways, happy birthday, Lloyd. As Spider-Man says, with great power comes with great responsibility. And you've definitely been handling both like a true hero in the team. So I wanna thank you, Lloyd, for always being reliable, supportive, and ready to save the day whenever the team needs help. And I can already see the potential in you, and I know you'll do amazing when that time comes. So keep being passionate, motivated, and awesome at what you do. Enjoy your birthday, Spidey, and may your birthday filled with pure happiness. Enjoy your day and have a blast. Happy birthday, Lloyd.